Globaliptrust presents Reevo, the Hub-Less E-bike. Meet Reevo, the Hub-Less E-bike. It features unique patent-pending hubless wheels that are centerless all the way through. It is pure engineering excellence, built around a strong, lightweight core, finished in sleek matte black. Reevo is powered by a 750 watts motor that can help it reach a top speed of 25 miles per hour and a 48-volt battery that can be charged in 3 hours. The battery is detachable for easy swapping. Aside from the hubless wheels, a main feature of the Reevo is its biometric locking mechanism. The bike only unlocks with your fingerprint, making it virtually theft-proof. It comes with an ambient light sensor which detects darkness and automatically turns on and off the ultra-bright headlamps and tail light. There is also an integrated brake light for added safety. It is also equipped with Class 2 throttle and pedal assist features that provide a natural push on steep inclines. Reevo has integrated GPS and motion tracking systems so that you can track your bike wherever it is. Reevo is a stylish, secure, and safe e-bike built for the modern urban cyclist. For more information on Reevo, visit reevobikes.com. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more.